up, everybody? Welcome to my 3 and me. Ooh, that wasn't good, huh? Look, I got some black stuff on my tongue. I ain't got nothing black. I ain't sick. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so I was on live the other day. She said she liked my little song. So what y'all think about this intro? Okay. So I'm gonna do what I just said. Do what I just said, and then I'm gonna put welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to my 3 and me. Oh, welcome back to my 3 and me. So what y'all think about that? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? If you don't like it, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? And I still got my hair in, y'all. It's just pulled back. Don't say that. Don't say that. Okay. Don't say that. Okay. But anyway, today we have a challenge. A challenge. Today we have the quadruple. Can y'all see it? Quadruple burger, cheeseburger. I was challenged by Miss.C's corner, Miss.C's Mukbang. Check her out. Both of them are her channels. She has Miss.C's Mukbangs where she does these, and then she has Miss.C's corner where she do like clothing calls, shopping calls, and inspirational, and just a lot of good stuff. You know, she go live a lot. We laugh, chill, have fun in there. It's cool. If you haven't checked out Miss.C's corner, check her out. Or Miss.C's Mukbang, same lady. Miss.C, same lady, cool people. Been rocking with her almost as long as I've been rocking with B-Love. I seen her on B-Love channel and went right on over there and subscribe. So if you go to her channel, at least make sure you watch one video, push the like button, and if you like it, subscribe. Hey! But anyway, let me get this prayer in, because it do look kind of good, y'all, because I do love me a supersonic bacon double cheeseburger. Okay. Well, now this is triple. We're going to say. The Lord Jesus, I thank you for this food that I am receiving for the nourishment of my bodies, for Christ's sake. Bodies, Lord. I ain't got but one body. For my body, for Christ's sake, amen. Amen. Yes. So, let's take a bite. Well, I already hooked it up and all that stuff. But I do like ketchup. I like ketchup on my burger. Okay. So, first bite, y'all. See my little ketchup? First bite. Oh, Lord. We're going to pour this back. Okay. So how are y'all doing? I done seen everybody. Miss.C challenged me to this last week sometime, y'all. And I was like, ooh, I don't like hamburger like that. I don't like it like that. But it's all good. We're going to eat it. We're going to see if I'm going to eat it all. And what is my motto? I paid for it. So, I'm going to eat it. I paid for it, so I'm going to eat it. Yeah, so, how are y'all? How was y'all week going? So far? In the words of, they'll get my easy sandwich busting. My stuff sliding off, shoot. What y'all like on y'all burgers? I like everything, okay? That went down wrong with a good old coat. Yeah, but I seen everybody do it, okay? I was like, Melina, go ahead and stop playing. Go ahead and stop playing. Get that burger on there. So, whew. My brother can do a double cheeseburger, okay? Got me doing a double. But it's all good. It's all for the sake of, in the words of Little Gizmo East, these YouTube streets, okay? I'm gonna say hi to all my new people. Hello. It's 185, 4, 5, 6. I didn't look right before I got on. I forgot to look. Look at that burger. It's upside down, y'all. Sorry. I don't know. Yeah. It's Miss. Yeah, but yeah, I ain't seen everybody doing it, okay? I've seen Miss.C. Oh, okay, so the challenge is brought to you by, oh Lord, I'm gonna put it in the comments. Whose challenge? This is somebody's challenge. Oh no. Miss.C just tagged me. Miss.C's Mukbangs just tagged me, but forgive me, y'all. I'm gonna put it in the comments, okay? Look, yeah, I gotta bite the middle. Let's come closer. I don't know. That's name. Why am I drawing the blank? Who all I seen it? Okay. I just seen Cuzzo AB posted one up while I was getting my burger from the store. I mean, from the Sonic. Oh, y'all, it came from Sonic, okay? Act like I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just so lost. I think it's just all the meat got me sitting up here. Look at all that. Look at that big old. Oh, I shouldn't have looked at it, Lord. Somebody gonna see this fat girl doing it and try to drag me like that. Look at her. All that stuff. Seen, it said mukbangs dip too much sauce. Then I seen another one. I don't know, dissing. Did y'all know they got videos where they actually dissing mukbangers? What? Mukbangers? You know? Like, really? Folks wanna make videos and get clout. Ain't that what they say? Not for anything. It was a chunky girl talking about she feeding her depression. She feeding her insecurity. Because she got a fat face like me. But she was so nice, y'all. They didn't put her name in there, so I couldn't go to her channel. Because if I did, baby, I would have subscribed to her. Sure would have. Y'all want to drag her, it's fine. We're going to make her pop. We're going to make her channel grow. I just got to find her. Yeah. But, yeah, they're going to drag me, honey. You ate 4 sandwiches? What? I mean, 4? 4 patties? What? Listen, it's a lot. Everybody who done, we all know it's a lot. You get full. But you keep pushing. Now, when the next time I'ma eat? Either later on tonight or tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We ain't out here just eating out willy-nilly. You know what I'm saying? We ain't out here just eating like that. You know what I'm saying? At least I know I ain't shooting. Just a struggle to try to bite out of it at the same time. My God. But yeah. So check. I'm gonna start writing down what I want to say. Because if you've been on live with me, you already know. If I look off or get distracted in the middle of mid-sentence, a sister gets lost, okay? So, check out these channels. Check out these channels. I don't know. Listen, I want y'all to go look on my channel. My playlist, no. Well, I got a playlist too. But, if you want to know how to grow your channel, look at my playlist. I'm excuse me, I'm going to start saving videos. So when somebody is giving some good advice on how to grow your channel, I'm going to start saving it to tips on my playlist, okay? But what I was saying originally was my subscribe, the people that I'm subscribed to is open. So, if y'all want to go check them out and just check out some other people, you know what I'm saying? I have a lot of new folks I'm subscribed to, because the name of the game is support. Let's support. Let's support one another. All this talk. Did y'all see how much salt just came out of there? I'm through. That's why I shouldn't have put it on there. That's why I shouldn't have picked it up. Knowing I can't do raw salt, y'all. Blood pressure gonna skyrocket. Do y'all hear me? Skyrocket. And I just put a whole glob of salt in one spot. I don't know if I thought I had a salt shaker or what, baby, until it's an open packet. I didn't do no thumbnail. Let me do one. It's a half a sandwich, but it's a sandwich. Okay. Hopefully it caught it. Yeah. So my playlist is open. Yeah, check it out. Check out some of these channels. Cause baby, right now, I'm drawing a complete blank. All I this sandwich, I think it's what it is. It's getting to me. And I know somebody in the comments like, well, stop drinking the drink. I can't. Look how much I got left. Look how much I got left. It's lopsided. Look how small that piece of bread is. Look how, And look, I still got a half a sandwich. Over half a sandwich, y'all. Whew. My stomach is let's just say when I'm gonna go home and go straight to sleep, okay? I ain't even gonna lie. There's some mayonnaise. Oh, that was that salty piece. Oh my gosh. I need some more napkins. Yeah. But yes. I seen Cuzzo AB do this. I seen Shay Snacks do this. I seen Bougie Palace do this. Bougie Bites. Bougie Palace changed her name to Bougie Bites. I mean, Priscilla, I understand. You snapped that 1,000. You snapped that. So instead pallets, you could have made it pallet. But Bougie Bites, I like that name too, girl. I like it. Y'all see I'm stalling on this sandwich. Bless the Lord. And I know the longer I stall, the worse it's gonna be. Cause the fullness is gonna set in. Sorry, here come the fire trucks. What's that salt? Oh my God. I should be through with that by now, cause I know. Let me see. What y'all want to talk about? If you haven't checked out my lives, check them out. I'm trying to get 4,000 watch hours, y'all. The other night I was on live for 3 hours. Let me tell y'all. First of all, YouTube was tripping, okay? Because on Cliff Lee 328, check him out, page, channel, live, he kept buffering and going out. So when he jumped off and didn't jump back on, I started my live because I was going to start a live. But I seen he started, so I was like, well, I'll wait till he get off so I can support him on his live. I waited till he got off. And Chair, I'll be darned. 3 or 4 tries, okay? I had one 7 minutes, one 4 minutes. The first one was, I don't even know how long the first one was. I want to say an hour, but I don't think it was, but it could have been. Yeah, something like that. But then my last one was for 3 hours. I was so happy for myself. Honey, I got hours. I had a lot of good people come in and talk and communicate, share their thoughts and all that stuff. I appreciate y'all so much. I had everybody come in. Excuse me. I had everybody that was on the live go to the person that was on there, check their channel out, and subscribe if they wanted to. I subscribe to every single one. If you come to my live, I'm going to subscribe. If you have a channel, I'm going to subscribe to your channel. And if it's devil worshiping and all that stuff, I don't know about that. But if you're a mukbanger, for sure I got you. Because sis, bro, we is in this thing together, okay? But if you do other stuff, I got you. I will subscribe. But, yeah, I had everybody. And I said everybody in here, you know, go check them out. Yeah. My food cold. This is hot. It's a lot of meat. When I tell you it don't even taste good right now, Just because I don't eat beef like that. Send me to the store, I'm going to get a chicken sandwich. Every once in a while, I have a taste for a hamburger. Every once in a while. But for the most part, chicken sandwich for me, buddy. Almost, y'all. Almost. Oh, Lord. I ain't even playing. My stomach is about to pop. This ain't gonna work. See, this is why I stalled on this challenge. Because I knew. Because I know me. I'm a big girl, but I don't eat a lot. You know what I mean? And look at all that. Look at this. Who finna eat all that? Yo, so. And I did like Miss.C did, honey. I didn't buy no. I wasn't brave enough to say, can I get me a quadruple? Or can I get me a double? A supersonic double cheeseburger? And can you add 2 more patties? No. I said, can I get 2 double cheeseburgers? Can I get 2 supersonics? Shit. Can't do it. The sun done went out, y'all. Sorry. What it is, I'm finna finish that soda. I done drank 2 months soda. Y'all know how y'all parents used to be like, nope, or still do. Because I know I still do it to mine, especially to them God kids. You can't drink nothing until you finish your food. No soda, no juice until you finish your food. Because, honey, Emaya would finish all that drink and ain't till with 2 bites. And then holler, I'm full. Well, I done drank all. I don't want this last piece. This is entirely too dang on me much. Shoot. Look at this. It had bacon on it. I like bacon. I'll say that. That piece is good too. Okay, so will y'all think I was crazy if I just put this whole thing in my mouth? I mean, I'm gonna have to chew it with my mouth covered, so I can just get it up. I just want to get it over with. I just want to get it over with. My goodness. And I ain't even BSing with y'all. I promise to God I'm not. I promise. Or what the kids say, on G, because I ain't gonna put his name in vain. I did good though. I got through. I got a burp. Okay, so I'm finna chew with my mouth covered up, okay? Because I'm finna be a whole gluttonous pig right here, okay? Okay. Stop it. That ain't gonna work. My mouth ain't big enough. Shit. Well, I tried. This is so nasty. Okay, listen. Spicy challenges. I don't know. I'm a little older. It don't work. It don't work the same when I was in my 20s, okay? Even my when I was a kid, because I've been eating hot foods my entire life, okay? And that's facts, because my mama said that I used to eat with my daddy. My daddy put hot sauce on everything, and I was right there eating with him. She said that's why you can eat weird stuff, because he ate weird stuff, okay? Hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Can't eat it no more, okay? Unless it's on a Friday night, because I ain't got nowhere to go on Saturday if y'all catch my drift. So, hot foods. So that, don't tag me because I might not do it. 9 out of 10, 99.99 out of 10. I ain't gonna do it, okay? And no big old nothing, especially beef. Cause for real, I stopped eating beef for like 10 years. 10. And I only been eating it for a few years. And I don't eat it often. Cause it makes me feel like I'm eating some flesh. Don't ask me why. That's why I don't like steak. I mean, I eat it in my Japanese food, but that's it. Okay, last piece, y'all. This is gaggable. Woo! Yes, Lord. I did it. No French fries. Only Coke to help me stomach it down. I got a whole piece of patty that I ain't even chewed. Ain't that some stuff that was over there in the side of my jaw? It's gone. There. Who I swallowed that last piece, y'all. Yes, Lord. Thank you for it. See how I played that out? I'm chewing. Yep, I'm done. I did it. I got the benefits of it. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So we're gonna say thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. I did it. I got through. Lord, I got through. What time is it? I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. I did it. Yes, Lord. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For the stretching of the stomach. The stopping the taste buds. The keeping my throat together. For letting the fluid stay there, oh Lord. I thank you, Lord. Baby, this is a little hard. It was a little hard. But for real, thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You got through my complaining. Just know I don't like beef like that, okay? I ain't saying I ain't never ate a hamburger. And I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna never eat one. It won't be no time soon. Oh, yes it will, because, excuse me, Taran's birthday is tomorrow. If you got this far in the video, I need you to please spam my comments. And tell Taran, Taran_squad_vlogs. I think that's what it is. Taran_squad_vlogs. Taran_squad_vlog_. I don't know. I ain't quite got them underscores, okay? But I know it's Taran Squad Vlogs, okay? Tomorrow is his birthday. July 24th is his birthday, you guys. My son is fixing to be 12 years old. So we are having hamburgers and hot dogs on the grill. Yes, we're regular people, okay? Ain't no crazy stuff, okay? No, we ain't rich, so we can't do all of that, okay? But hamburgers, hot dogs, and a cake. Ice cream. For his birthday. Yes, 12 years old. Taran is fixing to be 12. So please spam my comments and tell him happy birthday for me. Taran, T-A-R-A-N. Happy birthday. Yeah, so thank you guys. If you haven't already, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, like it, thumbs up, same thing. Make sure you like this video. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You won't hurt my feelings, because some of y'all not gonna like it, because I'm a fat girl eating 4 patties. on the cheeseburger. It's okay, baby. It's a challenge. Challenge. But anyway, yes, please like this video. Leave me a comment. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me how you didn't like it. And please make sure you wish Taran a happy birthday. Yes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I would love to have you. I know I've been doing a lot of car bangs here lately. It's just so much easier right now. Okay? Because my house is full of people all the time. Full of children all the time while the school is out. I thought it was going to be easier so I could have a lot of videos with my kids in it since this is our channel. But first of all, they don't want to get on camera like that. Go figure, right? But everybody else kids want to get in the videos. And I don't mind, but everybody don't know how to act on camera. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to talk about crazy stuff. They want to do crazy stuff. They want to talk like I don't talk. You know, like first of all, I don't say the N word. You know what I'm saying? In life, I don't like it. And if I call somebody one, it's because I meant to call you one. Okay? I don't use the N word. I don't like the N word. I don't want that on my channel. I don't cuss on my channel. I cuss. But I want everybody to be able to view my stuff. I don't want no strikes, no copyrights. I don't want nobody to say, oh, I don't like that my 3andMe channel. She got kids in there and that's how she talk. So therefore, I don't want my kids to watch it. You know what I'm saying? So therefore, I make sure that my channel is friendly. Friendly, appropriate for everybody. Now, what you see is what you get with me. For real, for real. You know, but I just make sure that my channel is worthy enough for everybody to watch. We can all watch it and not be uncomfortable in any kind of way. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want everybody on my channel. Everybody that's in my real life. You know what I'm saying? I don't want everybody on my channel. Even future collabs. No. I don't plan on doing no collabs, no videos with nobody that their channel is one I wouldn't want my, you know what I'm saying? So no. So I don't want nobody on my channel for my real life in it. So me and my kids, you know, folks who know me and know what I stand for and what brand I'm trying to build. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a lot of car bangs until they go back to school where I can actually get back in the house and and set it up and make it look presentable. You know what I'm saying? And not have a lot of distractions besides the grandbaby and Imaya. But she should be going to school this year, so we should be good. But he's got that grandbaby, and we'll try to catch him on a nap. Yeah, we gotta lay down. Okay, let me set it up. Okay, let's eat. We gotta make this quick before he call wake up. You know, yeah. But yeah, I'm just playing, y'all. I'm gabbing. But yes, yeah. So yeah, so please, again. Please subscribe to this channel if you can. If you don't like this video, check out another one. Check out my last live, take 3, where I'm just talking, no eating, so you can get to know me. And then make a sound judgment on whether or not you choose to support my 3andMe. But again, I am Melina. I'm going to start saying my name because everybody don't know my name. They just know me, my 3andMe. But my name is Melina. Melina, what's yours? What's your channel name? What's your real name? So until the next video, thank you guys. Go out and be loved today. It's early, it's beautiful outside, or it's raining outside depending on where you are, but it's still a wonderful day that the Lord has made. We need to rejoice and be glad in it. And in being glad in it, let's go out and show somebody what love means. Let's go rock this day. Pay it forward. Bless somebody today. You never know what it's going to mean to them. You never know. Pay it forward. Help somebody, bless somebody. It's a blessing to be a blessing. You know what I'm saying? Regardless if you believe in God or not. Helping somebody else, doing something good for somebody else, always brings back something good for you. Even if it ain't nothing but a feeling of knowing I help somebody. Look at that smile. I help put that smile. If you want to be arrogant about it, you know what I'm saying? I help put that smile on somebody's face because I did something good. You know, that ain't the way God intended it for us. You know what I'm saying, to do. But if that's how you got to look at it, to go help somebody, then by all means, baby, go bless somebody. So in the words of LMJ Ministry, go out and be loved today. And until the next video, bye, y'all.